Hey guys, welcome back to It's Miss T with It's Miss T's World TV. I'm doing a unveiling of something special I created earlier this week. So, thank you for joining me, and let's get started.
Yes, Daddy. Apart from makeup.
Alright, thank you. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, I'm Miss T. You can go to my previous videos to find out more about me. But thank you for coming by. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you can be updated with other videos. So, one of my things that I love to do and that I've been really passionate about is crafting and custom crafting. I'm in a lot of crafting groups for specifically for black women, black crafters. So it's definitely a little bit different from the previous craft groups I've been in over the years. It's very exciting and all the new ideas that they have. So one that came up is the custom Dominoes set. Um, yeah, so during this time where we are quarantined, we're spending more time with our family, we have more family time, we're doing family games, we're doing TikTok, all kinds of things to make sure our quality time is exciting during this time in our country and so, or around the world. So I hopped on it as well and created some custom Dominoes set. Now I got the mold from one of my craft sisters. I believe it's Jeanette Love My Son Pierce. But I'll leave the link to her Etsy shop in the description where she actually makes the mold and you can purchase it from her. You're welcome to make your own for those who are advanced or want to go ahead and take that leap. I didn't want to be bothered with the mold buying. All right, so Jeanette, Love My Son Pearson. I will leave the link to her Etsy shop in my bio so you're able to go ahead and just purchase. She already did the hard work for you, so all you have to do is the fun part where you put your colors in, your ink. What you would need actually is a mold, of course. We've already done some epoxy and resin. Um, Pretty bright. Etsy shop owner. I'll leave the link in your bio. It's very good. No smell. Works really well. The work time is 30 minutes and incur for 24 minutes. Really good. Actually kept these in here for like 2 days. So of course you mix the epoxy, the resin. You can add color, color ink, paint. As you can see, glitter. Different things that I added in. So I'm doing a unbound. So I'm gonna take them out right here with you guys to see. I wanted to do different ones to see what worked best, and then also be able to offer my customers. I own an Etsy shop. Offer my customers different choices. So I didn't want to make the different sets of different choices. No, I said let me make individual dominoes so they can see the colors and then they can pick which one they like, and I then will make that set for their purchase. All right, so let's get started. All right, let's see. I'm curious to see. So all you gotta do is just lift and they should pop right out. Wow. Let's start with the gold. Okay, so this is my first time doing it. Look at that way. All right, so I can already see I didn't fill it in all the way. I could have filled it in some more all the way to the top. There's, I don't know if you can see it, a little bit of gap. See that depth is not filled up. So definitely I could have filled it up a little bit more because the mold is pretty deep, as you can see. All right, so make sure you're filling it up right to the tippy top. I think I did it for most of the other ones. So let's see. But so far, I like the gold. I think it was alcohol ink. Yellow from an Etsy shop. Small Etsy shop owner. Remember, shop small. Oops, you can't see that. Shop small, shop local. Alright, so these are some of the alcohol inks. And this is like an extender, like activated or making like a tie-dye effect. So this is just a few. I think I have one more I can't find right now that I use with some of the color. So isn't that pretty? So that's the yellow I used here with some glitter. So very good. So I gotta just make sure I fill it all in. All right, let's keep going. All right. Okay. That is still soft. So, of course, still me learning how to work with resin. I probably didn't do equal parts because this is still soft. I felt it and almost was bending. Of course, I was rushing because I was so excited to get this started. So I was doing it by eye instead of measuring. So you're gonna use this. Make sure you're measuring. All right, you wanna have equal parts. All right. Me, I was just doing it eye. However much is in one cup, I'm putting it in the other cup. But that's the purple. Isn't that cute? Nice. I like it. Of course, in the back, it'll just need to be sanded. But for the most part, good. Nice. All right. That came out real good. Another purple. Just gotta be standing in the back. Make sure you can see it. Alright, let's get some of these orange and purple. Alright, wow, look at that. I think this is orange and glitter. If you can see. Very nice. I did mix it, did orange and purple. I should have did yellow so I could do like the Laker colors. Alright. Poured half and half. Well, not exactly half, but half and half in that. Orange and the purple paint. These were acrylic paint I used for this one. Alright. Yeah, that came out really good. Nice and full. Yep. You'll do some sanding in the back to clear the edges, but for the most part, very pretty, right? Cool. Alright, let me see. Ooh, look at this one. This is clear. I just did the resin and I had some heart. Like you can add confetti, different glitters, different things you have around the house. So add some little heart stickers. So I said, let me see what that would look like. So I did that. Really cool. Alright, did one with confetti. And the mold is really good, so here's some with confetti. So that's the other color I had. Of course, you pour the resin into the mold, and then you add these pieces in and kind of fill it in with a toothpick or whatever on inside, so and go in. So that's really cool. Yay! All right, let's go for some more. All right, here we go. Glitter, silver, really pretty. Nice. That's cute. I like it, like it. Alright. Alright, let's get the green. I have made some green with a little bit of gold in it. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, that came out really nice. That's good. Look at that. In the back, gotta do the edges, sand that off, buff that so it's nice and smooth. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, that's nice. Alright, let's keep going. Alright, got some purple I did with glitter, gold glitter. Very easy to take out the mold. Alright. Ooh, look at that. That is really pretty. Wow. I love how those came out. These are so cute. Of course, you can mix and match the glitters and the colors. You can do half and half of the colors and then put the glitter in. You can mix it with the resin in the cup and then pour. I found that to be good with the glitter. And then with the confetti and different things you want to put in there, you will add it once you pour the clear, like this one, resin inside, and then add your different elements in. So that is very pretty. I like how that definitely came out. Woo! All right, let's keep going. Alright, this is more of the, I don't know why I did a lot of, I think this was my first pour. The first one I was doing. Oh, another gold. Alright, more of the orange. And it don't have to be perfect, especially when you're blending these. It's okay. And I kind of swirled some of it around once it was in there, again with a toothpick. So, came out really cute. Alright, just buff sand the back of that so it's nice and smooth, so it won't hurt your customers or be uncomfortable. Cute, cute. Make sure you guys can see all of them. Alright, like I said, I wanted to make sure I had a mix just so customers could see. I don't know, I overdid it with this color. I don't know what I was doing. I was too excited, that's all, just to see the outcome. To give them, some colors. Another orange. Alright. I should have did one yellow, just regular acrylic yellow. But it's okay. Another green, very pretty. Alright, what is this one? Green again. Alright, another mix. Yeah, I got a little, I had other colors. But I think I only had acrylic, orange, purple, and green, so maybe that's why so many. I could have did more with the glitter. I had green glitter, so I didn't even do that one. Alright, and then I had something else. Okay, this is different. I had, this may be hard to play with, so I'm gonna have to see what I would do with this one, because you can't really see the numbers. So this, I have pieces of money into it. Of course, not real money, but play money. So I could do this a little bit better. Maybe a yellow. I could have added the yellow alcohol ink inside the resin and then the money. Maybe that would have helped. But it's really hard to see. You guys tell me. Can you see? Is that a 6? You can see double? Maybe. Can you see that's a 4? But I added some play money in there just to see, just to play with different elements, so that could be an option, but I might do that a little bit better. But if the customers like that, I would definitely do that. Yep. One more. A little of the orange got into it, but again, these are samples I wanted to show and options to give to customers rather than making one whole set and then trying to guess what the color will look like on the set. So I did multiple different ones for the first set that I did. This is my first time doing this, and so I like, for the most part, how everything came out. Again, I did a little overboard with this purple and orange. I don't know what I was thinking. Um, but I like really the glitter option, um, the purple and gold, but they can see different ones and can request different colors. I know some of you guys are doing marble, all kinds of things. It's great what we can do. So yeah, I just wanted to do that. I can't wait to put these up on my shop so people can see these options, and love to give people their own custom Dominoes sets that they can have with their family. Mother's Day is coming up. You know, they could do something special with mom. I know there's different ways to add like stickers, uh, put pictures on them, and then add the stickers on regular domino sets just on the back. So there's all kind of different things. So I just did a quick unveiling. Thank you guys for doing this with me. Please remember, you have my links. Make sure you subscribe and like this video, and subscribe so you can look forward to more videos that I have what's going on in Miss T's world. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. God bless. Later.